Want to offer affordable home and business control to your new VISTA customers and protect your existing VISTA accounts from the competition? Get the big picture with VAM, Honeywell's new VISTA automation module. VAM is an easy-to-install device that connects to the ECP bus of most VISTA systems. The VAM allows you to add Z-Wave-enabled lifestyle solutions like controllable thermostats, lights, locks, and powered shades for your VISTA customers. And since over 10 million VISTAs have already been sold, that's one giant opportunity. For existing security systems, just leave the security keypad in place and add the VAM. Thanks to its built-in web server, users can control the system locally with something they use every day, their smartphones and tablets. The VAM also allows users to see video from up to 4 IP cameras, and the VAM software is remote upgradable. Now you won't need to roll a truck to provide the latest firmware, saving you time and money. When you offer our award-winning Honeywell Total Connect remote services, your customers can control their system from wherever they are, and you get more RMR. The VISTA Automation Module and Total Connect, the easiest to install, most economical solution that delivers home and business control benefits to new and existing VISTA users, helping you please your customers while growing your business.